In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Revolut back into your bank account. So if you haven't done already, you need to add yourself as a recipient or the other bank account that you have. So I'm assuming you've got some money in your Revolut account already. And then down here, I'm going to press payments. So down at the bottom in the middle, just press payments here. And you want to add the other bank that you're sending to. So up in the top right, click the plus icon. From here, you want to choose the bank icon. So you're going to add your own bank account at the other place. Revolut doesn't let me record the screen, but I've got some screenshots here. So you want to add your own bank account details. Wherever you want to send it, for me that would be UK, so the currency would be pounds, and then the details here in the UK, we use sort code and account number. If you're in a different country, you can change this to your IBAN number or your wire or whatever it is, whatever details that you use, go and get the details of your bank account where you want to send the funds. Now, if that's a local transfer, for the most part, transferring money locally in most countries these days is free, so you shouldn't be paying any money to transfer locally with the currency of your local banking system. So go and put those details in, and then from there, you can simply go back into the payment screen. Once you've added yourself as a recipient, you can now effect the transfer. So in payments again, so that's the payments icon in the middle, down at the bottom, you should now see your name here with the logo of the bank. So you can press this. Again, it's not going to let me record. So we're going to go over to the screenshot here, and you can just put in how much you want to send. So for me, that would be £10. You can see there's no fees in the UK for this. Just press continue. It will show you checking the bank details and everything. So you can check that, press continue, make the payment. Revolut will send that out and then send it back into the bank details that you've given. If you have a bank account in a different country and with a different currency, you can add that bank account as well and make an international transfer, but this is more expensive. So up in the top right, you can just click the plus icon again and add your international bank details. You can say that it's in a different country, and the currency, you can just choose that at the time that you're adding the recipient, and then you can send an international transfer. This is going to be more expensive though, because Revolut will probably be using the Swift system. So once you've added that recipient, just click on it and it will say which currency do you want to send over here. Notice that I've added a second bank account in a different country, and it's a US dollar bank account. So I can send over an amount of dollars. What Revolut will do is exchange the currency that you have if it's a different currency. For example, if you've got pounds and you're sending dollars, then it will exchange the currency at the time that you do the transfer, and it will pay the international fee as well. Notice that it's $34 for the fee. So they're using the Swift network, which is expensive. They will just simply send that money over the Swift network, take the fee out and do the exchange all at the same time, but you have to pay more because it's not a local transfer. If you need a full guide for Revolut, I'll leave that in the description below. I'm James, this is MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.